Hey! Mikołaj Maria Dawidowski here. Welcome back to another video. Some time ago I received a question from one of my students. They're asking me, what does it mean to be a master? Let's get started, shall we? Simply put, mastery of anything means you have mastered the art of whatever it is that you're doing to such an extent where you're so competent that you're able to bring element of play into it. So not only are you good at what you're doing, but you're also having fun whilst you're doing it. That's the easiest way to describe mastery for me. And the way I see it unfold is because usually people say they're like energy masters or whatever, I'm a master this, I'm a master that, but basically it means that they're, in my perception of course, is that they just know how to manipulate energy or work with energy. They just know how to be happy, for example. If somebody is a master, gurus, for example, that basically means they lived life in such a way that they were happy. Because that's all we want, basically, in our lives. We just want to be happy. And a guru is a guy that you go to find out how to be happy. Because he knows, because he is happy. And so you go out and you seek him and you ask him how to be happy, and then he tells you to do something and you do it, and maybe you become happy, maybe you don't, depending on the guru. But mastery of anything means it's easy for you. You are automatically within the space of flow the moment you start performing it. It's like you drop into your own little bubble or your own universe where you're uplifted, you're happy, you're inspired to do it. You're on fire, basically. You're on fire, you're the light shining through, having fun. Just like I am right now. Still learning that, but there are many different domains of life, of course, and in some it could be easier and in some it could be harder. What does it mean to master life, for example? This is a question many philosophers have been asking for many years. How to master life? What does it even mean? In my perception, mastery over life means you're happy and you're enjoying that which you're doing on a day-to-day basis. It doesn't necessarily mean that the things you're doing are easy. These are completely different things. Comfort, pleasure are not exactly the same as happiness or work, because you do things and you can do things from the space of working. Oh, I'm doing this, I have to do this, man, you gotta make money and all of that. But you could be doing things from the space of, oh, I'm having a blast, I am loving this, let's go. And then as a result you get paid. But the whole idea is you're enjoying it, you're jumping into it, you're inspired and motivated to do that. And then mastery over life is you are excited about life itself. Every aspect of your life, you're excited for it. And you embrace it as it comes. You see, there is this funny idea of emotions, We have emotions, and one of the things that personally I learned is that allowing yourself to experience emotions on all different levels and aspects and embracing them fully as they come gives you a form of mastery. Because you could be happy about experiencing sadness. Of course, you're fully in the sadness and you're experiencing sadness, but the sadness is not causing you suffering. You're feeling sad, but you have this feeling of contentment as you are feeling sad, because you're allowing yourself to go through what it means to be sad. And you're not adding judgments and layers of things, you're just sitting there and saying, fuck, this is bad. And when you take that approach, you'll see that most emotions don't last very long. And now they're gone. And now they're gone. And now it's gone. Because when you fully accept them as they come, well, you're free to let go of them at any given moment. And it's only you who is choosing whether you wish to experience it or not. How to do that? well, you can contact me to find out more. I've got lots of videos already explaining these processes. And if you want to know more, you can always write to me, send me a comment. I work with people online. And that's it. And perhaps you want to meet me. We can meet. But for now, it's enough. I wish you an absolutely wonderful day, my friend. Consider leaving a comment, leave a like. Maybe there's a topic you would like me to cover. I'd be more than happy to do that. Until next time, have a good one.